Hey everybody, Luke and Adam here at the Knowles Woolsey team at Remax Hallmark Che, and we're here today outside of our newest listing in the Gallery condominiums. Now, not only is the Gallery a beautiful modern design building, it's ideally located near all kinds of shops, restaurants, easy access to the 400 for those commuters, and these fantastic walking trails.
That's right, guys. Not only is it an outstanding location, but the unit we're about to show you is outstanding as well. I'm talking corner penthouse with a fantastic layout that checks all of the boxes. And if you're a downsizer that thinks you need to compromise on those big ticket items, like a formal dining room, overall square footage, or maybe a spot to park that additional car, this one takes care of all of those objections. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing at 306 Essa Road. Welcome to Suite 602. This is penthouse living at its absolute finest. This 2-bed plus den model has 2 full bathrooms, over 1,450 square feet of living space, plus a ton of upgrades, including engineered hardwood floor and 9-foot ceilings.
When we're talking about upgrades, guys, this kitchen is no exception. This isn't your standard galley kitchen. We've got all kinds of upgrades here, from quartz countertops, tile backsplashes, 2 pantries, double ovens, and this huge wraparound island that can easily fit an entire party. Adam mentioned this was a 2-bedroom and den unit. Well, this den can be used as a 3rd bedroom, a home office, or my personal favorite, a formal dining room.
Guys, you definitely do not have to sacrifice when it comes to bedroom space. This unit features 2 huge bedrooms filled with natural light, plus that all-important ensuite. No penthouse condo is complete without some fantastic outdoor space, and this place is no exception. Huge balcony with room for a barbecue and a sitting area, plus a view of some green space. It doesn't get much better than this. But I think Luke was around here somewhere.
When he says huge, he's not kidding. We mentioned this balcony wraps all the way around the unit. You don't see that very often. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.